What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to Blades and Bait. Yep, we are back out here at Lake Erie. It's been over a year since I caught anything out here, but we'll give it a shot, see what we can do. Hopefully we can catch something. After all, this is one of the last few times that I'll be back out here since I'm about to move. So, talk to you later. So, if you guys are looking for some really unique and original, all custom designed tees, anything from your fishing, patriotic, Christian based, and just funny t-shirts like this, all designed by me or my wife, come check it out at lumenpath.net. And thank you very much, guys, for all your support. Out here at the Jackson Street Pier. So this is the setup that I'll be using. I'll be using a Santee Cooper rig, size 3 octopus hook, one clear slip bobber at the bottom, and a 1 ounce bank sinker tied to the swivel. We do have a couple of different things for the catfish. I don't have much shrimp left. Oh, nice! Ooh, a bass. Not bad. Wow. And that's actually a smallmouth. Yep, that's a smallmouth. Wow. Look at that, folks. Didn't take him very long at all. That's a good sized smallmouth. Anyway, I don't have much shrimp left. So gonna use the shrimp and hopefully we can catch us a catfish. Actually, what I'm going to do, I think I'm just going to take off this bobber and just see if I can fish it that way. That didn't take him very long.
1.71.
Nice, almost 2 pounds.
You got your stringer to put this on? Or?
Yeah. So, let's give the gulp minnow a try out here. Well, folks, I think I'm going to change my setup to a basic bottom rig instead of the drop shot, because it seems like Mike's having all the luck using a basic bottom rig instead of a drop shot. So that's what I'm going to switch it over to.
Nice.
But it's not even a basic bottom rig. He just have only one split shot. So that's what I'll be using. I'll be using the size 4 bait holder hook with one split shot. Just give it a shot with one split shot. We'll switch it over with a gulp minnow. And this time around, we'll be using this 2-inch Berkeley gulp minnow. That's what Mike's been catching all those fish on. So let's give it a shot. Oh, like I said, whatever he's doing it right. I'm using the exact same rig, and I still haven't caught anything.
Maybe the area.
And here he is. He already caught 6 of them.
I'll get very big. There's a lot of them. Oh yeah.
And something took it. You know what? Let's try this mouse tail, folks. I haven't tried the mouse tail out here. Let's try the brown mouse tail. There we go. Whoa, there it is. There we go. Yep. Good size. Probably about a 2-pound smallmouth bass caught on, whoa, caught using a mouse tail. There it is, folks. Oh, whoa, whoa,
Can I
whoa.
get a picture of you and your fish for my grandson?
Ha! Absolutely.
We're from St. Louis, and he loves to fish.
Okay.
He is not going to cooperate, though. What kind is it?
This is a smallmouth bass.
Wow. Cool. From Lake Erie. Thank you.
There it is. My first one. Yeah, using the mouse tail. Look at it, folks. About a 2-pound smallmouth bass caught on the mouse tail. That is a little over a pound. Not bad. Yep, let's give it a shot with the old-fashioned worms. There we go. Yes! There we go. Yeah, a crappie. No, this is a white bass. There it is, folks. Small white bass.
Yeah.
Not too shabby. A little tiny, itty bitty, about 7-inch white bass. Isn't that cool, folks? That is a dredger. Huh. With a little tugboat pushing it. Oh, caught something, folks. Just when I was about to leave. Whoa.
Man, we can see the bottom here. The weeds are so tall.
Oh, yeah.
Just kicked off the food.
Oh, yeah. Whoa.
Bring him up. Bring him up.
Holy crap.
Okay, walk back.
Oh,
There we go.
nice. Holy crap. Look at the size of this guy, folks. That is definitely one of my biggest ones I've ever caught. That is a big guy.
Yeah.
Ha.
Definitely got away that puppy.
Oh, yeah. Wow.
That was on.
Shrimp.
That was shrimp?
That was shrimp. I was reeling it in. I thought we were about to leave. Okay, folks. Let's weigh this puppy. See how big he is.
You got about 4.5.
Probably it's at least about 5 pounds, I think. There it is. 5.5 pounds. 5.5 pounds catfish. Well, so far we didn't do badly out there at Jackson Street Pier. We are on the other side where the docks are at. Figure we'll try fishing off the docks out here. See if we have any luck. I just picked me up a brand new batch of night crawlers. And I'll try it out with the worms. Wow, those are some huge fat worms. I'll give it a shot. Those are some big worms. is, folks. Yes, there we go. A bluegill. Pretty good sized bluegill too, folks. Look at that size. That is a good sized bluegill. That is about a 7-inch bluegill. There we go. Not too shabby. Folks, besides that one bluegill at the docks, I didn't do much of anything else. We are on the other side here. We are in Washington Street Pier. Try it again with my simple bottom rig. It's basically just one bait holder hook and one split shot. Let's just try it out. This is as simple of a rig that you can get. And try it out with night crawlers again. Whoa, whoa, there it is. There we are. Bass, smallmouth. There we go. That's another smallmouth, folks. This one feels a little bit heavier than the one that I caught before. It's probably about a good pound. There we are, folks. Not too shabby. Probably about a pound. Yeah, probably about a pound. Almost a pound even. There we go, folks. About a pound smallmouth bass. This time around, I'll be using the drop shot. I have me about ½ an ounce bank sinker with a size 4 octopus hook, and we'll try drop shotting. Try it again with some of these fat worms here. They're some of the biggest worms I've seen. Give it a shot with a night crawler and see if we can catch any more. There it is. Right. Huh. Oh, really? Whoa, had a bite, huge bite. There it is. There it is. Wow, little tiny fish, but it's putting up a huge fight. Caught as a little tiny white bass, folks. Yep. That's funny. There we go, folks.
That's your first white bass of the year?
No, the second one. The first one is Jackson Street. My first catch at Jackson Street.
Okay.
There it is, folks. About a 6-inch little white bass. See how many more we can catch. Bluegill. No, it's a pumpkin seed. Ha! Look at that, folks. Small pumpkin seed sunfish. Yeah, my first pumpkin seed for the year. There it is, folks. About a little 5-inch pumpkin seed. Well, folks, that's not a bad, it hasn't been a bad day. Caught me 2 smallmouth, 2 white bass, 2 bluegills, and 1 pumpkin seed. And, of course, can't forget the 6-pound, almost a 6-pound catfish that we caught at Jackson Street Pier. And all of them was caught on your simple bottom rig. Yeah, and yep, and the one was caught on a wormtail, the others was caught on night crawlers and shrimp. Anyway, folks, we're about to take off. It's been a very good day. If you guys like this video, please smash that like and hit the subscribe for some more fishing, knives, and kit videos. I'll be taking off now. You guys take care. I'll talk to you later.